So as we enter 207 Evergreen Avenue in Niceville, first thing we notice is tall ceilings as we look around. Beautiful vacuum cleaner there, coat closet, and then our living space with your fireplace. Now this is a large living space. You can fit a decent sized couch in here, rugs, whatever you wanted to do. That is access to our sunroom right there. Right off of the living room, we have our formal dining area. So here you can sit down, enjoy your lunch, breakfast, lunch, dinner with views of the Eglin Air Force Base golf green right through there. That is the golf course. So if we turn around, oh, not to mention your patio area covered with covered pergola. So here we are in the dining room going through to the kitchen. So here's your kitchen with its island. Plenty of space. They've got a rather large table here, so you can put another little table if you'd like to have a table for your little kitchen breakfast nook area. And then we come in here, we have our laundry room, our utility room, washer and dryer included upon request. Right here, again, the living room, and then we'll go to our bedrooms. So we'll come to bedroom number one. Bedroom number one has plenty of space for your queen or king size bed. Probably a little bit more comfortable with a queen in here with your closet right through there. Lots of storage in this home. You've got your linen closet right here. Then we have bedroom number two. Bedroom number two is another one. You've got plenty of room for a queen or king size bed. A little bit more room with a queen size bed, to move around. You've got your reach-in closet there. Here is our guest bathroom with a large countertop on your sink, plenty of room. You've got your medicine cabinet there. Exciting stuff. Here is your toilet. You've got natural light coming in from that window right there. Here is your shower tub combination. Absolutely beautiful. All right, now let's check out one of my favorite rooms of the house. This is the primary bedroom. So this room has a tall ceiling. So right away when you enter this room, you feel an immense amount of space. So this is plenty of room for larger furniture with your king size bed. If you have antique armoires, drawers, things like that, you have your space to put them. Again, tall ceilings, absolutely beautiful. Fresh paint. Here we have access to the sunroom, and we're gonna get there in a minute. So don't mind the personal items. We're still cleaning out here, but here is the walk-in closet, plenty of space. Someone's stuff goes over here, someone's stuff goes over here. Everybody's happy. Stack the shoes in the middle, whatever you want to do there. Then we have our primary bathroom. So this is absolutely awesome setup. Private, individual sinks here. So you've got your vanity here with your drawers, plenty of room for your storage, your medicine cabinet, and then another one. Plenty of room for your storage, and your own separate medicine cabinet. Keep everybody happy, keep things flowing, happy relationships with separate sinks. And then we have our beautiful garden soaking tub here. Natural light from this window, absolutely lovely. Natural light from that window. There is your toilet area. And then your shower stall. So you get your shower stall and you get your soaking tub. Again, the primary bedroom here, very practical, well laid out. Let's check out my favorite room in the home, the sunroom. I'm a big fan of sunrooms, so let's check it out. I had to pull the shades up. So here is your beautiful panoramic view of your backyard with the beautiful golf course green, Eglin's golf course green right through these trees. Stunning. So just a nice amount of space here in your sunroom. I'll get another view from this side. And then your beautiful patio area. So it is a pergola, but it's also covered so that you can still get sunlight. It's covered by like a greenhouse building material. So you can not get rained on when you're out here, but you can also still enjoy the sun. Here's your beautiful large backyard. This is a fenced backyard. You've got your sidewalk that runs down the house, down the side of the house, I should say. And then not only do you have a backyard here, but you've got a bit of a side yard in the back area here as well. There's your another gate. Each side of the house has an entry gate